I'm making another black cat pasta recipe. When I was in Home Goods, I spotted this pasta, and of course I love black cats. I have a grand cat named Boo that my daughter rescued, and he is just so precious and lovable. And of course, he loves Grandma. I was thinking what kind of sauce goes well with the black cat pasta, and I came up with salmon, because I know cats love salmon, and of course Grandma here loves salmon also. I'm using this Trader Joe's Alaskan pink salmon. It's skinless, boneless, and no salt added. So Grandpa and I like this. It's very, very good. So I thought, well, this will go nice with the black cat pasta, because black cats love salmon. I'm using 1/4 of a stick of butter. I'm using 1 crushed garlic clove. This is 1 medium onion cut up. I'm using 1/4 of a cup of fresh parsley chopped. I'm also using some dried dill and a lemon. This is what the pasta looks like. It's 2 different colors. They have cat heads, paws, and a full cat. I've seen pasta made with black squid ink, and wouldn't this be nice if all of this was black? All the pasta was black. Then this really would have been black cat pasta. This is the same salmon Boo eats, and he loves it. So now I'm putting it in the bowl and getting it ready after to put in the pot, and you don't drain it. You leave all the water in it. I'm chopping it up. Okay, so that'll be ready now. The water is rapidly boiling, so I'm going to put in the pasta now. The pasta will be cooked for 8 minutes. I don't want to overcook it because it loses its shape. The noodles have been cooked and drained, and now in the same pot I'm going to put in the 1/4 cup butter and the 1 chopped onion. You just cook that all together until you saute the onions a little bit. The onions have been cooking for a few minutes and they're nice and soft. So now I'm going to add in the parsley. Mix it up a little. And now the salmon. And the garlic comes next. A clove of garlic. I'm going to cook this for a few minutes now so the flavors combined. If you use salt, you could add salt. We only add pepper, so I'm going to add a little pepper to it. Grind some pepper in. Now this looks very good, so I'm going to add my pasta now to the pot. Alright, now I added the pasta, but I have to be careful so I don't mess up the shapes. Now I'm going to mix in the oil. This is a 1/2 cup of olive oil. And I have to do this very gentle. Otherwise we'll just have pasta pieces and there'll be no shapes left. I'm sprinkling some dill on the pasta. Okay, now I'm squeezing a little bit of fresh lemon on it. I think that'll be a nice flavor. And Grandpa's going to try this. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Delicious, Ma.
What are you eating?
I'm eating Black Cat's pasta with the salmon.
That's right. When you add the fresh lemon and the dill, it really rounds out the flavors. And it goes really well with the salmon.